It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 9th of March. I'm Michael Groff. A beautiful day ahead. Temperatures pretty close to average with increasing clouds, but our much advertised change in the weather pattern begins tonight and tomorrow. The potential of widespread and significant rain coming through the region, and that will persist through Friday as a very active weather pattern sets up. How much rain will we get, and what about temperatures through the week? We'll talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 75 degrees was the afternoon high. 61 was the low. That occurred at 11:59 p.m. And outside now here at 8:15 a.m., we've got mostly sunny skies out there. We're sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, humidity 59%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, there's a few spots in the 40s, the normal cool spots, Goldfield, Fort McDowell, Saguaro Lake, and whatnot. But most of us across the metro are in the 50s to near 60. Satellite pictures shows a lot of clouds out there to the west, increasing with southwesterly flow. And look at that band of clouds across central Mexico. That's part of the subtropical jet. That'll be nosing northward in coming days. And way out to the west on the left-hand side of your screen, that is the culprit, a big upper low that's just going to meander around the Southern California coast this week. And that will be our weather maker. The watch warning map suspiciously quiet. There's a high wind watch up there in parts of northern Montana, up around Cut Bank, a couple of winter weather advisories in northern Maine and parts of California around the Sequoia National Forest there, Sequoia National Park. But otherwise, it's pretty quiet. Convective outlook for today, we've got the marginal risk of severe storms around Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Arkansas, up to Joplin, Missouri, and precipitation for the next 7 days. This is what we're really talking about here. Rainfall here in Phoenix between about 1.25 inches, 1.75 inches, and 2 to 3 inch amounts, maybe more than that for the high country up along the rim and the favored upslope areas of northern Maricopa, Gila, parts of Yavapai County, and over into the White Mountains. And we'll detail it all now as we check out the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our upper low spinning just off the west coast. A southwesterly flow increasing today. So down at the surface, again, a nice day today. Mostly sunny this morning, partly cloudy by this afternoon as clouds increase. But the day will stay dry, high temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. Tonight, I think the evening stays dry too, but we'll see that chance of showers coming in overnight. And then tomorrow, chances of rain will be increasing from the south and west through the day. Showers should become likely by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Now, looking at the atmospheric parameters, this is the precipitable water tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock coming off the NAM. And values up around 1.2, 1.3 inches here. Those are levels that we would see pretty close to monsoon time. So the atmosphere will be juiced up for sure. And the simulated radar product shows an increase in showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm coming in here tomorrow. Now, Tuesday night, Wednesday, periods of rain, heavy at times with isolated thunderstorms. That'll be a new dynamic that comes into play as this low slowly draws closer to the region, and we'll have better upper support for some isolated storms. And those storms could produce the locally heavy rainfall amounts. You saw in our WPC graphic, they have between 1.25 and 1.75 of an inch of rain here in Phoenix. But we all know some spots in the valley are going to see more than that. The other thing to understand here is that it's not going to rain nonstop between Monday night and Friday. We will have lulls in activity. And I think sometime during the day on Wednesday, we will see a break. Perhaps Wednesday afternoon, only more of a scattered shower event. But then the rain will start to pick up again Wednesday night and Thursday. And again, locally heavy at times with isolated thunderstorms. So it's just a very wet forecast. Highs for Wednesday and Thursday are going to remain generally in the upper 60s to middle 70s, as this is a fairly warm system with subtropical moisture around. Now, Thursday night and Friday, the low moves through here. Again, we'll see periods of rain, heavy at times, isolated thunderstorms, and then we'll see a gradual decrease in activity as we get to Friday afternoon, Friday night, and most of the rain will be confined over eastern Arizona at that time, and highs on Friday should again be in the low to middle 70s. All right, by Saturday, finally, we start to dry out, but it's just going to be a wet week. Saturday, partly sunny skies, might see some patches of fog in the morning. High temperatures, low to mid 70s, mid and upper 70s on Sunday. And again, the sky partly cloudy. Then as we go to next week, Monday the 16th, we've got another low coming in here. The GFS shows one kind of moving into the Great Basin, and an active pattern continues. In that configuration, the precipitation would probably be confined to northern Arizona. That's an overland trajectory, not as much moisture with this feature, but temperatures would still be at or below normal. And then going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Wednesday the 18th, and that still looks cool. and a little bit unsettled, especially over northern Arizona. Now, the European has a slightly different solution here. It shows a low dropping down the west coast, a little bit closer to the Pacific Ocean, which would imply at least a somewhat more moisture coming in here. And then on Wednesday, the 18th, it's got that low just sitting here over the southwest for another round of rain. And let me show you, this is the precipitation totals coming off the European ensemble, 51 members here. And you see a lot of models, a lot of the members are, well, a lot of red there. That suggests rainfall amounts 2 to 3 inches. The ensemble mean is over 2.5 inches now. Now, I'm not sure we're going to get 2.5 inches of rain here in Phoenix, but certainly the European ensemble is trending that way, and it believes that the greatest amount of rain we'll actually get is going to be in the Thursday and Thursday night time period. So we'll keep that in mind as the even the GFS is trending a little bit wetter, with the latest run coming in at over 1.5 inches of rain. So this could be a significant rain event for us, and of course we'll have to be concerned about the possibility of flooding. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Pretty much high temperatures will be actually fairly close to average despite all the rain this week, again, due to the warm nature of this system. And overnight lows will be fairly mild, generally in the 50s, maybe even near 60. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning, updates when necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Monday.